Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I thought as a little, as a little gift while waiting for the big videos like the Bologna review and also the tips on how to prepare for Bologna, I thought I will show you what I received in the mail. Woo! So I don't officially have a PO box actually, but this is almost like a PO box opening. So this was something sent to me by a fellow illustrator. She reached out to me and asked me if she can send me something, and I said yes, of course. And I find her work very beautiful, and it's nice to connect with other fellow illustrators. And I didn't expect her to send me anything actually, and it's just nice. And I've been waiting a while now to film this because I want to honor her work and I want to show you her work as well. So her name is Imelda Green, and she is an artist and architect based in Budapest, Hungary. Actually, Budapest is not so far away from where I used to live with my family, but I've been there only once, so definitely, and I was very young. Definitely, maybe we can meet up at some point. I don't know. I'd like to go to Budapest at some point. And yeah, I really highly encourage you to check out her work. I will show it here and I'll also link it down below. So let's get started. So I'm excited. This is a nice bubble wrap envelope. So she makes very beautiful stationery products. And I see, I'm just on her blog at one, handmade products, yeah. I like how it's easy to open. Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh. Ooh. So first of all, you can totally like impress me with this kind of ribbony, I don't know, string. I think it's quite nice. It somehow reminds me of candy. I don't know. And wow, I mean, amazing, right? How generous of her. And there's even I think there's even a letter. Oh my gosh, I was even looking at these things and thought like they're so beautiful. Okay, so I've had a little peek. I don't know if you can see this. I can already see herbs and I love herbs. Like, if I would have more patience, I think I would draw more plants. I don't know why I find it so still kind of challenging to draw plants, but that's why I can look at other people's beautiful plants, right? Their work, I mean. Okay, so I'll show you all of this in a second. Oh my gosh. I mean, Imelda, thank you so much. I did, like I said, I didn't expect this, and I'm actually really touched. Thank you for all your beautiful work. So there's a business card as well, and I think this is a postcard. I love that it's like an ivory kind of white. And there's also, yeah, like I said, business card and postcards. So I'll give I'll give you all her details that are, so you can find her online. And yeah, I love this. So let me just, all nicely wrapped in cellophane bags. Clear plastic sleeves, or maybe it's not plastic, who knows, I don't know. But this is a very beautiful card of a heart. And oh my gosh, yeah, the whole like gardening range. Oh my gosh, they will definitely find their way into frames, I tell you. So I'll also show you close up of these things, but cute hedgehog, beautiful cup. Oh my gosh, very beautiful, yeah. What is this? Are you treating me too much? I mean, seriously, what is this? It looks like a notebook. This is so pretty. Yes. Yes, yes. This notebook belongs to. Now it belongs to me. Whoa, thank you. I mean, maybe I'll even give it as a gift. It's so beautiful. I can always use nice notebooks, and I think, I don't know, but true paper lovers, I think blank notebooks, I mean, line is okay, but if you really want to give me a gift, buy me blank notebooks, because I mean, she didn't know that, but maybe she knows, I don't know. Maybe I've mentioned it at some point, I don't know, but I love blank notebooks, because then you can draw on them as well. So, and then, so these are all the postcards and a notebook. Oh my god! Are you actually kidding me? Okay, I'll save it for later. I just saw something very special. I mean, everything is beautiful, but there's a beautiful print. Yes, and a washi tape at the back. It's very cute. I'm actually looking for a nice washi tape at the moment. I'm running out. And this is a print with beautiful herbs: basil, lavender, thyme, tarragon, nettle, calendula, mint, rosemary, and sage. And by the way, if I mispronounce these things, sorry, English native speakers. I'm trying. I love the warm color palette, and I love herbs. Like I said, this is so awesome. When we have finally our own place, I'll totally have that in my kitchen. Yes, or in my workplace. I don't know. I'll probably decide on that. They're all gorgeous. Like, no fakeness here. I really like it. And before I haven't opened the letter yet. Sorry. I mean, I'll read it in a sec. This is actually, I can't believe it. This is actually a customized print of my name. Look at this. That's why I made a little noise of happiness, because I mean, how amazing. First of all, she sent this all to me. I didn't, without, just out of her own I don't know, generosity, and even was so thoughtful to hand letter my name, to take the time. I just feel like this whole YouTube journey was worth it. I don't know, because I don't know if you noticed, but sometimes, I don't know how it is for other YouTubers, but sometimes of course you feel like you're just talking to a wall and nothing comes back, but she's always been there with very encouraging comments, and I felt like, although I don't know her, I really appreciate her presence so much. And yeah, so I feel like I found an illustration friend. Look at this. I mean, not everyone would do this for you, right? So definitely give her some love and look at all her stuff. Yes. So I'm really grateful, Imelda. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Oh wow! And there's this is a very beautiful envelope as well. That's where the letter is. So I don't know if I will read it loud. I'll read it first quietly. See if there's any private information that shouldn't be shared. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Yes. It's okay. I hope it's okay if I read this. Yes. Okay. I hope it's okay for you if I share this, but I think it's not giving anything away, right? So, dear Romica, I've seen your latest video on YouTube in which you say you have a busy time ahead and may not film for a while. So I thought this package might cheer you up. I included a hedgehog. I seem to remember you like them. Yes. Oh, and it's a cute one too. I tell you, my husband will like that too. We're both. We love hedgehogs. Like, we totally want to have a... I saw recently like a iPlayer show about a hedgehog rescue center, and there's a really old lady and she gets hedgehogs in all the time. And I was thinking, I probably will do that when I'm older, when I have more space. So yeah, I really like them. And yeah, best wishes and keep up the good work. Email. PS. Yes. I think it's fine. I actually can't, I'm not so good at pronouncing Hungarian names, but yeah, she has her real name is a different name, but she chose Imelda because it's easier to pronounce for people who can't speak Hungarian, which I can understand. But please, if we do meet, then please tell me how to pronounce your name, because I would like to learn how to say it properly. Yeah. So thank you so much. What a lovely present, and I just couldn't come at a better time, really. The last month, or even the last 2 weeks were really, I don't know how to say this, they were quite challenging. I got like 2 things that happened, kind of hit me quite hard. One of the things were that my book that I wanted to publish, I just saw like a week ago that it's already going to be published by someone else. However, I've overcome this kind of disappointment and realized that actually, although maybe the person I write about is the same, you know, my final picture book is about Lucy Maud Montgomery. However, it's not just about her, it's about how she gets her book Anne of Green Gables published. And I really love all her work. I've read most of her short stories, almost all of them, there are a lot of them. And I've read almost all her novels, the whole Anne series, and there are some others. And yeah, so I definitely want to get this book out, even if it's a book about her has already been published. And I think there was another book before that even. So I just was a bit, you know, that shock of, oh no, someone has come before me and I really wanted to publish this book. But I reflected and it's okay, and I realized effectively, you know, this will always happen, and she's an amazing person and people should know about her. And my book will also find some lovely children's hands, hopefully, and will make them happy and follow them through adulthood. Especially for young authors and creative people, I want to write this. Or anyone who has aspiration to do something that is a path less traveled, so to speak. Yeah, something that is not so easy or straightforward, like a creative career. And I hope you look forward to this book as well. It's really close to being done, the dummy stage, and then I will send it out to a publisher, and hopefully they will take it, and if not, then I will attempt to self-publish it, I think. Ooh. So, and the second thing is I applied for a business startup award and I didn't get it, despite having, it's strange because normally I know when something didn't go well, but it was such a feeling of, I had such a feeling of success. And the next day they came back to me and said that my pitch didn't hit their requirements, and that was due to a lot of misunderstanding on my part and maybe slight miscommunication on their part. And I can't reverse it, and they can't change their decision. But what I did realize, when you do ever pitch to a panel for funding, I want to set myself up as a full-time freelance illustrator, so I've only been part-time so far. Not even part-time most of the time. Next to my degree, but it's really, really crucial to talk about numbers more than about your personal aspirations or stories. And I had all of these numbers ready, and I had them in my application, and I was told via email that the panel has seen them. Therefore, I assumed that I don't have to speak about this, and that was my mistake. I should have still presented all my numbers and on my plan and all of this, and I focused too much on my personal journey and why I feel like they should trust me, so to speak, and they were not impressed, which is strange because when I actually pitched, they seemed very engaged and very, I don't know, I just felt like I won them over, and I was wrong, and that was very painful because normally I can really trust my intuition. Yeah, so I couldn't get that funding, which is, in the end, I will still be able to start. It will just make it a bit harder. So I hope that you can support me in this very early start of my career as soon as I graduate, which is in about a month. So I'm just about to finish this book, and this beautiful present couldn't have come, like I said, at a better time. I mean, I feel a lot of love. Thank you so much, Imelda, again, for your beautiful presence. And yeah, I really, really appreciate it. I hope I can return the favor. At the moment, my collection of products is very limited, but yeah, I hope one day I can return this beautiful gift in some way. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. So this is I will not basically cut this video. I've just added a little bit of extra footage so you can see the products better. And yeah, it was nice to talk to you again. I think the good thing about this kind of video is that I don't have to edit much, and I can also just stand up again. This week is one of the craziest weeks ahead. Actually, I'm going to do my final illustrations, 3 double page spreads within 3 days. Maybe for some people this is not so much, but for me this is a lot of pressure actually. I'm setting this deadline to myself, and if I can't meet it then it would be okay, but I have quite a few other things going on the side, and I need to just get this book done as soon as possible because yeah, uni is done very soon, so the 11th of May again, and then I'm entering yeah, hopefully full-time freelance life. Yeah, but also actually not 100% true because I finish on the 11th, and then on the 12th I'm going to Japan with my husband and his mother-in-law. She's visiting her family, and therefore also by extension my family. So that will be also quite exciting. It's my second time. Last time we went after we got married, and I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye! And Nick said also hello. It just came in. Okay, have a nice week. Bye!